Hey, I'm Hannah. Today I'm at the landing at Sycamore Creek in High Point. This is a Nova Triad home who has teamed up with nationally recognized Epcon communities to create a home for the 55 plus crowd who wants the luxury of the single family home without the yard work and exterior maintenance. And today I am with Mr. Andy Dreyfus, builder with Nova Triad. Now, one of the great aspects of this community is the patio area, which I understand can be customized. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, absolutely. Good question. So first of all, it is a side courtyard, a side patio. This is a fundamental difference. And so this patio is accessed both from the main living room of the home and also from the owner's suite. And since it's off the side, it gives us the flexibility of adding a covered porch, and we can screen all the way out. And we have the ability to do a lot of fencing and more landscaping. And it's a private courtyard. This is critical. Our buyers are baby boomers and active adults, and they like to be outside. And you'll notice across the way that the only windows are high windows on the opposite house. So you have a private courtyard that allows you to enjoy the outdoors, and you can customize it with options, covered porches, even a sitting room that extends into the owner's suite. So a fair amount of options.
Amazing.